In my herbal poultry manual, I use the term herbal concoction. And people ask me what is in the herbal concoction, how many things do you put here? The number of plants used in a herbal concoction depends on how much you can get. That I would think a minimum would be 20. Herbal concoction is just a mixture of different herbs. So this is going to be my herbal concoction for my chicken next week. So I'll show you what plants are there. These ones are, see, you can recognize them. These are avocado leaves. This one is called Mexican sunflower, otherwise called the chewamala. These ones are mango leaves, always very much available. These are dodo amaranthus, also available. This is called the chewamala in Uganda. The English name is a bit complicated, but the scientific name is Plectratus cyanes. This one is called, okay, this one is a chewankulata, not a chewamala. This one is a chewamala. It almost resembles the other one, but you can see these leaves, the color is lighter. Then it also smells good like a muchacha. These ones are covered. Then we have this. This is a keyoyeyo in Uganda. I have not yet got the English name. Then this one is mint, peppermint. These are mango leaves. This is okay. This one is already covered. This is bitter leaf, otherwise called the mluluza in Uganda. These are purple leaves. This is called the red-leafed hibiscus. This is called the Randy stepmother's tongue. These are guava leaves. This one is one that you've already covered. Then this is hibiscus. No, not hibiscus. This is basil. Then these leaves are Russian comfrey, chido chenkoko. Then we have lemongrass, kisubi. This is snake food, bombo. Then we have this thorny amaranthus, dodo amagwa. Then this one is, I don't know the English word, but in Uganda it's called the nzirugaze. It's a parasite. It always grows on trees, but has a lot of medicinal value. Then these are leaves for eucalyptus. Also have some dried leaves for a plant we call mwambala butonya. People usually grow them in their compounds. Then this is the spice for teeth, sweet basil. Then I add this. I'll just get a clove from this. This is garlic. I'll just get a clove. Then I have this one is ginger. Then I also have pepper. You can use this or you can use the other long one called the cayenne pepper. Then you can also use the powdered one. Then another one, this one is blackjack or sere. Then there is another one called the kawunyira or black. I don't know whether it's mixed here. Okay, it's here. This is called black mint or kawunyira. So now after you have got your herbs, you get a container and wash them so that you remove the dust. So unlike when you are going to give fresh leaves, this one you don't have to use salty water because you are going to boil them. And the worms which will be there will be killed by the boiling. But you wash them here, put them in your saucepan. Then you cover with this banana fiber, meaning banana leaf, because the banana leaf itself, as I told you, the manure, banana leaf itself has medicinal value. So instead of getting leaves and pieces and putting them here, use this to cover. So as you boil, the medicinal contents will go in your solution. Thank you.